In this video, I'm going to show you how to find someone on Cash App using their phone number. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, open Cash App on your phone. Once the app loads, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap on Invite Friends. Cash App may ask for permission to access your contacts, so tap Allow if prompted. After that, you'll be able to see contacts from your phone who already use Cash App along with their cash tags. If you want to search for a specific person, tap on the Search or Discover icon inside Cash App. In the search bar, type the phone number connected to the person's Cash App account. If the number is linked to an account, their profile should appear in the results. You can also search using a cash tag, which is the unique username that starts with a $sign. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.